Global Pipeline Service. The leading oil and gas pipeline and process services company, GPS was founded in 2011 in the UAE, and now the operations are expanding to Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and India. GPS is an ISO-certified company. Over the last 10 years, we've accomplished 100-plus projects and tested 6,000-plus loops. Since our inception, GPS has diligently worked on delivering solutions to oil, gas, and petrochemical industries, offering complete pre-commissioning and commissioning services to both onshore and offshore industries. Our vision is to be recognized as the most effective and efficient pipeline and process services company with excellence in safety, quality, and delivery. Global Pipeline Services works in all new construction and modification of oil and gas industries, tank farm and storage facilities, petrochemical industries, LNG processing and storage facilities, LNG vessel, SPM and jetty pipe work, power plant construction, FPSO, FSO construction and modification, and all pipeline and process-related industries. GPS is the one-stop solution for all pipeline and process-related services. For pipeline, we perform pigging, which includes pipeline cleaning, gauging, hydro testing, which includes water filling, pressurization, testing, dewatering, drying, which includes air drying, vacuum drying. For process, we perform air blowing, steam blowing, oil flushing, chemical cleaning, nitrogen services for purging, pneumatic testing, commissioning, decommissioning, nitrogen leak tests, and nitrogen helium leak tests. Our equipment is built to comply with all international standards and can be operated in Zone 1, Zone 2 areas, both offshore and onshore locations. All emergency trips and safety relief valves are installed as per standards. All lifting and protective frames are regularly tested and inspected by third parties. Our large equipment fleet includes a compressor, oil-free compressor, filling pump, pressure pump, air booster pump, dryer, nitrogen converter pump, gas booster pumps, nitrogen tanks, overpressure protection unit, and cylinder racks. Our test cabin is set up with DWT, pressure temperature recorders, flow meters, handheld helium leak testers, mass spectrometers, and all other required lab instruments. We hire engineering graduates or diploma engineers and train them in various operations and on a wide range of equipment with a continuous focus on safety. The success of GPS is deeply rooted in the gratification and performance of our employees. Every requirement is carefully studied, examined, interviewed to maintain the highest level of quality, efficiency, and safety. All our engineers, technicians, operators are trained to perform a variety of services to support the client's requirements without any additional cost and mobilization. Upon the project being awarded, GPS nominates a project engineer who coordinates with the client, prepares documentation, and submits for client approval. Then he conducts a pre-job project meeting with team members to discuss the project scope, safety concerns, operational and equipment requirements, thus ensuring all team members are fully aware of the project scope and requirements. Then the loadout list is prepared and circulated to all team members. After identifying equipment and instruments, the team carries out function tests, and all certificates are checked and verified. Then the equipment is mobilized to the project site. Once the equipment and crew reach the project site, the GPS project engineer arranges a kickoff meeting with client personnel to discuss the project scope, schedule, risk assessment, and documentation work. Following the kickoff meeting and approval from the client, GPS starts the activities. The GPS project coordinator at the base stays in constant communication with the site team daily to ensure smooth execution of the project. Once the project is completed, GPS prepares all the final reports, documentation, and submits them to the client. After completion of all documentation work and getting approval from the client, the GPS team is demobilized from the project site. When the team arrives at the base, a post-job meeting is conducted at the base to discuss the project's issues, concerns, incidents, and any further development required to improve the system. We conduct in-house training programs, group discussions, and virtual training for all our crew members on a regular basis, depending upon their skills. The performance of all the crew is continuously monitored to provide training in all spheres of management, technical, operations. GPS virtual 3D interactive training guides help engineers, technicians, operators, and field service teams to perform procedures on equipment virtually and to solve problems faster, safer, and with fewer errors. At GPS, we believe health, safety, and environmental protection is everyone's responsibility. All our managers, supervisors, and all employees comply with the company norms and take precautionary measures for a safe working environment at the workplace as well as the project site. We aim to achieve 0 accidents and 0 harmful incidents in all our projects. Our objective is to deliver a cost-effective service to complete the project on time with the highest safety and quality standards. Please partner with us for all your pipeline process-related services. We will make it a win-win partnership. Thank you.